Planning to buy an SUV in 2025? Be careful. The market is full of models that look amazing but can drain your wallet with breakdowns, massive depreciation, and safety risks. Luckily, there are also reliable, efficient SUVs loaded with modern features. Today, I'll show you 5 worst models to avoid and 7 best ones worth every dollar. One of the worst will shock you, and the top pick at the end will be an unexpected favorite. Worst SUVs of 2025. 1. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. At first glance, the Eclipse Cross might seem like a stylish choice. Its sharp body lines, modern headlights, and overall design really make it stand out among other compact crossovers. But take a closer look, and all that shine quickly loses its value. Under the hood sits a weak 1.5-liter turbo engine that produces only 152 horsepower. In the city, it barely gets the job done, and on the highway you're constantly pushing it to the limit. Acceleration is sluggish, overtaking feels unsafe, and to make things worse, it's paired with a CVT transmission. The result? The engine drones loudly, but you don't get the performance you'd expect. Comfort isn't much better. The cabin feels cramped, especially in the back, and the small trunk makes family road trips difficult. Add to that a stiff suspension, weak sound insulation, and it becomes hard to even hold a conversation at highway speeds. The infotainment system feels outdated, and many essential safety features are locked behind expensive trims. And the biggest disappointment, the price. Mitsubishi asks around $26,000, $27,000 for this crossover. But what you really get is a car full of compromises. For just a couple thousand more, you could get a Mazda CX-5 or Volkswagen Tiguan, which are far more enjoyable to drive and much more reliable in the long run. Volkswagen Taos. When Volkswagen announced the Taos, expectations were high. A compact SUV meant to be a budget-friendly alternative to the Golf, but with more space. In reality, it fell short. The cabin looks nice, and the digital dashboard is a welcome touch, but that's pretty much where the positives end. The biggest problem is the engine. The Taos comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 174 horsepower. On paper, it sounds fine, but in practice, acceleration is slow and throttle response feels delayed. Around town, when you need quick acceleration, the Taos feels sluggish and unresponsive. Even Consumer Reports noted the noticeable lag when starting from a stop, which makes the SUV feel lazy. Then there are the reliability concerns. The 2022 model alone had 6 recalls for serious issues, and even in the updated 2025 version, confidence is still low. To make matters worse, the powertrain warranty covers only 50,000 miles, which is much shorter than most rivals. That's not a great sign if even the manufacturer isn't confident in the car's long-term durability. Finally, the price. At around $26,500, the Taos costs nearly as much as a Toyota RAV4 or Mazda CX-30, both of which are better, safer, and more reliable. That leaves the Taos stuck in an awkward place. Not the cheapest, not the fastest, and not the most dependable. For a compact SUV, that's a deal-breaker. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a legend, once known and loved for its reliability and versatility. But times have changed. On the outside, it still looks solid with bold styling, the iconic Jeep grille, and an upscale presence. Inside, you'll find large digital displays, premium materials, comfortable seats, a 10-inch infotainment screen, high-end audio, and even a head-up display. At first glance, it feels like a true premium SUV. But dig deeper and the problems pile up. First, reliability. In recent years, owners have reported frequent electronic glitches, hybrid issues, and even serious safety concerns like rollaways and fire risks. For a brand with Jeep's heritage, this is a major blow to its reputation. Second, the price. The base model starts at around $36,000. Not cheap considering rivals like the Hyundai Santa Fe offer more for less. And if you're eyeing the hybrid 4xe version, get ready. Prices easily pass $60,000 and a fully loaded model can reach nearly $90,000. That's a shocking amount for an SUV that doesn't live up to expectations. In the end, the Grand Cherokee is a vehicle that looks premium but is overpriced, unreliable, and underwhelming. If you want a dependable SUV, there are much better options on the market. Ford Escape. When people think of compact SUVs, the Ford Escape often comes to mind as an affordable, practical option. But in 2025, it feels more like a trap for your wallet. The main issue lies with the engines. The base 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbo sounds great in ads. Efficient, modern, compact. In reality, it's disappointing. Drivers report constant vibrations, lack of power, and frequent breakdowns. In fact, this very engine was the reason nearly 500,000 Escapes were recalled due to fire risks. You might think a hybrid or plug-in hybrid would be better, but even those have issues. Recent models have had battery defects that could suddenly cut power entirely. Imagine being stranded on the road with no warning. That's a risk no modern SUV should pose. Then comes the warranty. Coverage is weak compared to rivals. Just 3 years years or 36,000 miles for the basic warranty, and 5 years or 60,000 miles for the powertrain. That's far below what Japanese brands offer, and it says a lot about Ford's own lack of confidence in long-term durability. Price doesn't help either. Sure, the starting tag of around $22,000 looks attractive, but what you're actually buying is a car that depreciates quickly, needs constant repairs, and doesn't deliver peace of mind. In the end, the Escape really lives up to its name. It's a car you should escape from. Dodge Hornet. At first glance, the Dodge Hornet looks exciting. Its aggressive styling, bold grille, strong engine options, and quick acceleration make it seem like a sporty compact SUV. With the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 268 horsepower, it hits 60 mph in about 6.5 seconds, numbers that beat many competitors. There's even a hybrid RT version that looks promising on paper. But scratch beneath the surface and the shine fades quickly. First issue, fuel consumption. Even the hybrid isn't particularly efficient. While the gas engines are simply thirsty, for a compact SUV in 2025, that's unacceptable, especially as gas prices rise. Second problem, price. The Hornet starts at over $33,000, which is more expensive than proven models like the Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, and Mazda CX-5. Add options and upgrades, and the price soars into premium territory, but without delivering true premium quality. And the biggest deal breaker, depreciation. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Hornet loses around $20,000 in value within just 5 years. That's staggering compared to rivals. To make matters worse, J.D. Power gave the 2025 Hornet a dismal reliability score of just 66 out of 100, the lowest of any SUV this year. In the end, the Hornet is a flashy marketing package hiding serious flaws. It promises power and style, but ends up being an overpriced, unreliable toy with little long-term value. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona continues to impress in 2025 with its versatility and compact size. This subcompact crossover is perfect for both city driving and short trips outside town. The model is available in conventional gasoline, hybrid, and fully electric versions, making it an ideal choice for those who value fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness. The electric version offers a solid range on a single charge, while the hybrid version boasts outstanding fuel economy. The Kona's interior is thoughtfully designed. High-quality materials, a modern multimedia system with a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, as well as a wide array of safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. All of this comes at a price of just around $24,000, making the Hyundai Kona one of the best deals on the market for those seeking maximum value for reasonable money. Its compact dimensions do not compromise a spacious trunk and comfortable seats, which are particularly important for an active urban lifestyle. Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 maintains its status as one of the most stylish and dynamic crossovers in its segment. The vehicle combines confident handling, reliability, and elegant design, setting it apart from competitors. In the latest generation, efficiency and affordability have been improved, while the turbo version accelerates to 60 mph faster than many rivals. The CX-5's cabin is now even more spacious and comfortable, featuring high-quality finishes and modern digital instrument panels. A range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and collision prevention systems, ensures peace of mind on the road. The CX-5 is ideal for both city driving and long highway trips, offering a balance of sporty dynamics and family-friendly comfort. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid remains one of the most practical and fuel-efficient crossovers of 2025. With a fuel economy of around 40 miles per gallon, it is among the leaders in the hybrid segment, while offering a spacious and comfortable cabin that easily accommodates both family and luggage. A full suite of safety features includes blind spot monitoring, automatic braking, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise control, making every trip safer. The hybrid engine delivers confident acceleration, while the modern multimedia system with smartphone integration keeps you connected on the go. At $30,000, the RAV4 Hybrid offers an ideal balance of efficiency, comfort, safety, and technology, making it one of the best options for everyday use. Genesis GV70. The Genesis GV70 is a true premium compact crossover in 2025. The vehicle combines a stylish, modern design with innovative technologies such as fingerprint ignition, intelligent adjustable suspension, and premium interior materials. Powerful engine options provide sporty performance and impressive acceleration, while the GV70 remains significantly more affordable than competitors like BMW or Porsche, making it an attractive choice for those seeking luxury at a reasonable price. The cabin is spacious and ergonomic, with numerous features for driver and passenger comfort, including multi-zone climate control, massage seats, and an advanced audio system. A full set of safety systems and driver assistance technologies ensures maximum safety and convenience on every journey. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to be one of the most popular family crossovers in 2025. The model features an updated, more spacious cabin, enhanced technology, and a modern design. The hybrid CR-V is both fuel-efficient and dynamic, perfect for city and highway driving. The base version remains reliable and proven, offering a high level of comfort and safety. Inside, the CR-V includes everything a family needs: comfortable seating, a roomy trunk, and a touchscreen multimedia system. Advanced safety systems include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, making it a versatile vehicle for family life and active city driving. The Nissan Ariya is a fully electric crossover with a range of up to 300 miles, making it one of the most attractive EVs of 2025. The Ariya combines a stylish, modern interior with ease of handling and advanced technology. The vehicle features semi-autonomous driver assist systems, making long trips easier and safer. Its electric powertrain ensures smooth and rapid acceleration, and a variety of driving modes allows adaptation to any conditions. Priced at around $45,000, the Ariya offers a compelling combination of style, innovation, and eco-friendliness. The interior uses high-quality materials, thoughtful details, and modern technology, such as a digital instrument panel and a large multimedia touchscreen. The Toyota Grand Highlander is a three-row SUV, perfect for large families in 2025. Its massive cabin comfortably seats all passengers, while the hybrid version delivers impressive fuel efficiency, making it economical even with its large size. Advanced electronics and a full suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and blind spot alerts, provide maximum protection and comfort. The vehicle is well suited for both city and long-distance travel, offering a high level of comfort for all passengers. Its price and functionality make the Grand Highlander one of the most versatile and convenient SUVs of 2025, capable of meeting any family's needs and ensuring a safe, comfortable journey. So now you know which SUVs to avoid and which ones are truly worth your money in 2025. Don't let a bad choice drain your wallet. Choose smart. Drive safe. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car buying tips.